Hi, I am Shreyank and I have just aced the NEET 2026 exam.
Very happy and very proud too. It's a big achievement from his side, and because of his hard work. And we never thought that he'll achieve, he'll come so far.
My journey started right after 10th when my parents were looking for which college to put me into. Then we came to know that they have a residential program in Allen Sarjapur, and going there has almost changed my life completely.
Yeah, actually, he was good at studies since from the beginning. I was doing good. Actually, due to some family issues, we thought he can't study at home. It will be a lot of disturbance for him. So suddenly we took decision like we'll put him into boarding. He also agreed. He says this is the best decision I have taken in my life, joining boarding in Allen Sarjapur. I feel boarding is better compared to day boarding because you'll avoid a lot of distractions. And 11th and 12th, it's a game change. Like you have to study. That is the turning point of your life.
Before joining Allen at Sarjapur, I was not that confident in my studies and my approach of solving questions. But since I've joined there, I've gained a lot of confidence through my hard work and through the guidance of our teachers.
He is very disciplined, a sports person, and very obedient. He is a very good child. He is a gem of a person, I should proudly say. He has become more focused, confident, and he can handle any kind of stress now. He's a very good tennis player also. He has played for CBSE boards in 10th standard, and he is a good athlete also. Other than studies, he is good at sports.
As if preparing for one NEET isn't tough, having to write the exam all over again after relaxing for 2 weeks, thinking everything is behind you, it's very difficult to come back into track. I was very anxious during those days because I was not able to study at all. And in the end, what mattered was us, pulling through those difficult times. Our teachers actually planned a lot of rounds of revision, and they kept giving us advice so that we can study better, more efficiently. For my first exam, I wasn't that good in terms of my mental state while writing the exam. For the second exam, I just knew I had to give my everything, and whatever happens, happens.
A lot of dreams. He wants to do PG abroad. I want to study abroad. Then he has planned a lot. He will really one by one.
Now that I've got this result, I'm able to join my dream college. A few months back, if you would have asked me if I would be in that college, I would have given you a 10% certainty on that one. But now I can't wait for what LEBS has in store for me.